restores paint clarity, removes scratches and swirl marks, enhances shine, protects car surface, and improves overall vehicle appearance effortlessly. My today's video is about top 5 best scratch and swirl removers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Confident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. A high-quality scratch and swirl remover kit delivers an impressive balance of performance and ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and car enthusiasts. Its specially formulated compound works effectively to eliminate light scratches, swirl marks, and surface imperfections without damaging the paint. Paired with the included buffer pad, the application process feels smooth and controlled, helping restore your vehicle's finish with minimal effort. Beyond simple scratch removal, this solution revives dull paint by removing oxidation, water spots, and embedded contaminants. The result is a noticeably deeper gloss and a like-new shine that enhances your car's overall appearance. What stands out is the use of premium, professional-grade chemicals that avoid unnecessary dyes or fragrances, ensuring a safe and clean application. Compatible with all paint types, including clear coat and multi-stage finishes, it offers versatility and reliability. Overall, it's a practical, cost-effective way to rejuvenate your car's exterior and maintain its showroom appeal. Now our second product is Meguiar's Quick Eraser Kit. The Meguiar's Scratch Eraser Kit stands out as a reliable, DIY-friendly solution for tackling light scratches, scuffs, and paint transfer. Designed with clear coat safety in mind, it works effectively on all glossy finishes without risking damage, making it ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. What truly sets this kit apart is its drill-activated system. Paired with Meguiar's ScratchX microabrasive technology, it removes imperfections quickly without leaving haze behind. The included pad and microfiber towels simplify the process, turning what could be a time-consuming task into a fast, controlled repair. Performance-wise, it delivers noticeable improvements with minimal effort, restoring shine and smoothness in minutes. For best results, following up with Meguiar's Ultimate Quick Wax enhances protection and gloss. Backed by over a century of expertise, this kit offers professional-level results at home, making it a smart, cost-effective choice for maintaining a flawless car finish. Our third product is Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step Scratch. The Chemical Guy's VSS One-Step compound in Polish is a standout solution for anyone looking to simplify paint correction without sacrificing results. This all-in-one formula effectively removes light to moderate scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and even holograms, combining cutting and polishing into a single, efficient step. What makes it particularly impressive is its ability to restore deep gloss and clarity without requiring additional polishing. The finish is smooth, reflective, and professional-looking, saving both time and effort. Whether applied by hand or with a machine polisher, it delivers consistent results across different skill levels. Its body shop-safe, silicone-free formula ensures it's suitable for repair work, repaint prep, and coating applications. Compatible with clear coats, single-stage, and ceramic-coated surfaces, it offers excellent versatility. From cars to motorcycles and RVs, this product handles multiple detailing needs effortlessly. Overall, it's a time-saving, high-performance compound that delivers professional-grade shine and correction in one easy step. Now number 4, SWOA 2 PCS Scratch Removal Wax. The General Motors Scratch Removal Wax offers a practical and efficient solution for restoring a vehicle's exterior finish. Designed to tackle minor scratches, stains, and surface imperfections, it not only corrects visible flaws but also enhances the overall gloss, giving the paint a refreshed, polished look. Its advanced formula works by penetrating and helping to fill deeper scratches, improving the appearance of treated areas while adding a protective layer over the surface. This dual-action benefit ensures both cosmetic improvement and added defense against future wear. Safe for all glossy paints and varnish coatings, it delivers effective results without risking damage to the original finish. One of its standout features is its durable, waterproof protection, which helps maintain the repair effects over time, even under challenging environmental conditions. Ease of use is another advantage. Simply apply with the included pad, work it in circular motions, and wipe clean. Overall, it's a user-friendly, reliable car care solution that brings professional-looking results at home. And our last choice is Tiantango Car Scratches Remove. The 2026 Upgrade Nano Sparkle Cloth offers a convenient and budget-friendly way to handle minor car surface imperfections at home. Using advanced nanotechnology, the Nano Sparkle Cloth is designed to remove light scratches, stains, and dirt such as nail marks, tree sap, and bird droppings while helping protect the paint surface without causing damage. Its versatility is a major advantage, as it works across a wide range of vehicles including SUVs, motorcycles, mini cars, and RVs. It is also safe for all paint colors, from black and white to vibrant shades like red and blue, restoring a cleaner, more polished appearance. One of its strongest benefits is cost and time savings. Instead of visiting an auto repair shop, users can simply clean, dry, and wipe the affected area for quick results. Each cloth can be reused multiple times if properly stored, making it more economical. However, it is best suited for light scratches only and not deep paint damage. Overall, it's a practical DIY solution for quick cosmetic restoration. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.